Hey guys, this is Kent from KTKamping, and for Christmas I bought my wife a Lectric XP step-through bike, and it's this white one that's sitting over here. You can kind of see it in the background, and I told you in the video that I thought I was going to be ordering myself one, and I did, and I got a Lectric XP bike, and I just got it today, and I'm going to open it up for you, and we're going to put it together, and we'll just see what this thing looks like. Looks like it's packaged really well. I noticed that on the first bike that they package these things super good. Okay, there we go. I'll have to go through it still and check all the nuts and the bolts and all that good stuff. But I'm pretty excited. I can't wait to ride it. So I'll continue this video on when I get it all the nuts and bolts checked and everything checked, the tires aired up. And we'll go for a ride and I'll video that, and then we'll put it all together and put it out there. So have fun camping. Hey guys, I'm just going to show you what's in the little box that comes in with your bike. Let me cut it open here, then we'll go from there. Okay, this is what comes in the box. It's the charger and your instruction manual. Then you also get this storage bag that you can put on the back of your bike. Hey guys, I know I said earlier that I was going to ride my bike in this video, but the weather has been horrible. So I'm not going to be able to do that. So I'm going to release the video with the unboxing and showing you what's in the little box and all that. And we'll make that video of me riding the bike at a later date. All it has done for the last 2 weeks is rain and snow and been super cold. Not fit to ride the bike. So you take care.